With ABUKAI Expenses, staff can email in or upload electronic receipts, submit mileage reports, or simply take photos of any physical receipts on the go. Add without a receipt allows you to add an expense without receipts, such as mileage or trips. ABUKAI can also read mileage from a photo of your odometer or a screenshot of a map. ABUKAI can then automagically generate a finished expense report, or can route reports for electronic approval or automatically upload transactions into ERP or accounting software, saving the back office countless hours.